Hi, I'm Bob Loeffler with Fearless Agent Coaching and Training. And, I had a medical procedure not too long ago. That's unpleasant. But I noticed something. I kind of grew up in the hospital business. My parents worked in hospitals. My father-in-law ran hospitals. But I've been in a lot of emergency rooms because I've hurt myself a lot. And, I played hockey and stuff, had a Harley, stuff like that. But I noticed something. Last procedure I had, I was in this room, in the room where they're doing the stuff, and I looked around and I realized I could be in any town, big or small, in America, and the room would look exactly the same. I would never know where I was. And the procedure that we went through was exactly the same as anywhere else. For the first thing they do is they put this little armband on you that you're going to have to chew off later. You know that. Then they ask me for my birthday 15 times in a row. I never get a card, right? First thing they do is they ice down the room to about 30 below, and then they say, hey, would you like a warm blanket? I say, hey, why don't you turn the heat on? That's what I do at my house. I don't know what's wrong with me, but that's how I am. So anyway, why do they all do it the exact same way? Well, it's because they're in the business of not killing people, and there is one right way to do that. Now think of real estate. If you were an agent brand new in the business and you went to work for 5 different companies, you would have 5 completely different training experiences, wouldn't you? If you were a seller and you interviewed 5 different realtors, you would have 5 completely different presentations. Well, that's ridiculous. There is one correct way to do that thing. If you'd like to learn how to do that, then you need to go to fearlessagent.com, call us for a complimentary coaching call, go to one of our free teleseminars, take a test drive, because we want to help you become a fearless agent. Thanks.